Ucha. Welcome to the garden of Treatz. Beautiful apple tree. Beautiful banana tree. I'm about to harvest some of these sweet potatoes. Here go one. Let's see. Here go another one. So we got two beautiful sweet potatoes. They don't weigh that much. They probably weigh about, total, it's probably like 3 pounds. Very light. Let's see if we got anything else in there. Not looking like it. And so these right here are sweet potato yams. And so I'm propagating so we can grow more of them. And what I did, I ended up putting some coffee grinds into the water because coffee grinds have a lot of nitrogen in them. And what nitrogen does is it helps things grow. And so once I did that, these started to sprout real quick and fast. They look beautiful. And sweet potato yams are good. You can eat them like greens. They're good for the heart. They look like a heart, right? Did that, and so we're gonna go over here and we're gonna replant these. And so I end up cutting these off of where's she at? 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 Oh, there she go. There she is. Hey, sweetie. So I end up cutting some of the cuts off of here and propagating these and put them in water. And I added my special trick, which is I added some coffee grinds to the water. And so now I'm gonna plant these in here. Look at these roots. The root system looks like our new neuron system.
I'll leave this like, how do I do this? I don't know how to do it.
So what you gotta do is you gotta spin. So you gotta divide them like you're doing your dreadlocks. And wait, I got a fucking bug on me. And you want to, is this one right here? So what you wanna do is
Twist it?
yep. Just like that. Get them pretty roots.
Will it grow more slits?
Yep.
This already is.
Mm-hmm. Hey.
What's happening is gonna grow off these roots.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, this thing seems like it ain't deep enough.
So we gonna have to spread it.
I know next time we should put this in first and then put the dirt.
Well, we still can do that.
Oh, you got dirt in here.
What that mean? Watch this.
You gonna dump it?
Drop it in there? Yeah. Drop it in there. Well, you can hold it, it don't matter. So we're gonna go ahead and put this up in here. These are some avocados in here. They didn't sprout, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some sweet potatoes to the mix. Oh, this is nice and damp and moist. Oh, I got some bugs in there. That's good. Oh, yeah. Nice and loose soil. They got places to go. So we're gonna go ahead and slap that in there. We don't want to condense it too much because we don't want to suffocate the roots. And so, bop, bop. And then we got this one right here that we're gonna do. Put that one over here. And so, vegetables, this is a root vegetable. And so, they grow underneath the ground. All the fruits grow from a flower, and then the fruit bears behind the flower. That's a good thing to know. Fruits. Oh, look, it is coming up. See that? Awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and prop that avocado back right there. Let it do its thing. And wow, there you have it. Harvest some sweet potatoes and planted some more. We are not going to wash these for a while because when you don't wash them for a while, it helps preserves them, and it also helps with storing in more of the nutrients, since we just took it from the umbilical cord, which is that right there. And so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take this part right here, and I'm going to get some fresh water, put some fresh water in here. I'm gonna put some fresh water in here. Let's rinse this out. Here we go. So we got the water. And now, the reason I'm using coffee grinds is because coffee grinds have a lot of nitrogen. And what that helps it with is, what helps with is growth. And so this is gonna help the roots really get a boost. So you can kind of like a root booster. Y'all ever heard of root boosters? If you heard of root boosters or ever used it before, put it in the comments. Please share. Reason you need to share is because, take this quote, rejuvenation of our nation is participation. And so the more we have involved with the gardening, the more we'll rebuild our nation. So we stir that up. You know what I'm saying? So, bop. There we go. And this is tomato, so this is tomato right here. I don't know, it's coming back a little bit, but I don't think I'm gonna put it back in there. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and compost it. So there you have it. We harvest sweet potatoes. We planted 2 propagated sweet potato yams, and we're propagating some more sweet potatoes. Ucha, beautiful people. Right here, we are making Marley some sweet potatoes that we harvest from our own garden. As you can see right there, they're beautiful. The color is amazing, and she's gonna love them. You ready for some sweet potatoes? We are here enjoying this good sunlight. Say Ucha.